Hey everyone, hope you all had an awesome week. Thank God it's Friday, right? So just wishing you all a happy and safe weekend. And it's that time again. We're going to do our mortgage interest rate update for Friday, 10/22. It's getting into the spooky season, so I wanted to create a nice, cool little thumbnail for the video. So hopefully you like that. I got the sugar skulls on there. I like those little things. But hey, I'm back from New York. I took a trip for about 5 days to New York. It was a really cool trip. Seen a lot of cool stuff. Never have I ever walked so much in my life. Uh, but it's definitely somewhere you want to see at least once in your life. It's a whole different world than kind of what I'm used to here in Kansas. Some of my subscribers who may be out there, comment below and let me know, are you in the city life? Do you experience that on the daily? Seemed like a little bit too much for me. I think I kind of like my, Kansas living. I could probably do Colorado. I could probably do Utah, something like that. But I don't know about the big city. I love to travel. I love to see it. I love to see the buildings, but I don't know if it's for me on the 24/7 type of thing. But if I have any subscribers in the big city, let me know what you think of it. Let me know if you're curious about the difference between the city life and the kind of the rural life, I guess. I mean, I live in the city, but it's nothing like New York City. So if that's something that's interest to you, because it was a shock to me, city life is so much different than what I'm used to, but had a blast. I loved it. Everybody in New York was very, very courteous and nice and lots of culture. I loved it. Highly recommend seeing the Museum of Modern Art. They have a Van Gogh right now. It's a Starry Night, and it is awesome. $400 million painting there. So very, very awesome. Hey, I talked about it a little bit in the drink review, but we do have a back-to-back video today. We did the back-to-back thing. So I have a new video out. It is my best advice on investing, and it's actually trading. So I'll talk a little bit about that in the video, but these are really awesome steps that you can take to where you can make a tremendous amount in the stock market through trading options. I'm going to go in a little bit more about options in later videos, but I wanted to get my best advice out there to begin. I'm not one to hold back and keep things for the very end. I want to get it all out there so you can start making money in the market. But if you haven't yet, subscribe. I'd love to have you guys join the community. You're watching this thing kind of in its infancy. It's very, very new, and you can be a part of something that is growing, and someday maybe we'll have quite a large community here. But just wanted to take a brief moment just to say good luck to all my realtor partners out there. If you have any showings, if you're have any listings out there, good luck with those. If you have an open house, let me know. I can help you market those with my avenues that I have. And my analytics tell me that loan officers do watch my videos, and that's perfectly fine. I welcome you to. And I just want to let you know that we have a pretty good thing going here in the company that I'm working for, and I'd love to tell you all about it. Just message me. We have all the benefits: 401k, retirement, health, dental, vision, anything you could think of, but you also get the freedom to possibly work from home. We do originate here at the office, but you can do a lot of the things at home. You make your own hours. I work kind of a hybrid first and second shift, and I kind of do my own thing. Lots of freedom. I treat it like my own business. So if you're kind of getting into to where you're dreading the slog of the 9 to 5, kind of the banker, the credit union hours, and you have those realtor connections, I'm telling you, you don't need that salary. You can make 6 figures just on commission. If you have those realtor connections, that's the crucial piece. But if you have them, you'd be good to go. It's like running your own business without all the headache of the office admin stuff. So get a hold of me on that. I think there's a lot of opportunity for you out there. And the next thing I just want to talk about is refinances. Refinances, I cannot stress it enough. The ship is about to sail. As you can see when we get to the rates next, the rates are going up, okay? We still have amazing rates here because I make these lenders compete. Over 50 lenders all across the U.S. I make them compete to give you the lowest interest rate, but they are trending up. And forecasts from people who are a lot smarter than me say that we could be looking at a environment where we're at 3 to 4% by the end of 2022. So time is ticking. If you are paying in the 4s, the 5s, the 6%, pick up the phone. We'll go over your mortgage statement. We'll see if it makes sense for you to refinance. 30-day process. Very easy, very minimal docs that you need. So get a hold of me on that. Without further ado, let's get right to these rates. I've made you wait long enough, and I apologize about that, but I want to get all the announcements out. This is kind of my one announcement day. So conventional, they have ticked up 3.125, FHA 2.5, VA 2.625, and USDA 2.75. So a lot of variance with the different loan products, and they are trending up. You know, USDA probably a month and a half ago was 2.25. So they're trending up. So if you want to make a move, get on it. And if you are pre-approved and you're wanting to get into a home at a decent interest rate, you may need to get a little aggressive on your offer. I know it's unfortunate. There's not a lot of deals going on right now because it's a uber seller's market. But if you want to get into a home before these rates disappear, you may want to look at getting pretty aggressive with your offers. And how can you do that? Well, I can help you. So reach out to me. One thing I can offer is a 20-day close. Very, very little lenders can do that. But I have a lender who can do a 20-day close. And they handle the appraisal, and we don't have to go through the AMC, which we normally do. And that's an awesome thing. Another thing we can do, if you're approved for an FHA, you're at a disadvantage from conventional borrowers. A lot of the competition when we're looking at multiple offers on homes, they're looking for borrowers who they feel like are strong, because some borrowers are flaking out, falling out on their financing. That's, sometimes LOs aren't doing their due diligence as far as pre-approving them. But if you are approved for FHA and it's really the best way for you to go financially, what you can do is you can do an FHA and a conventional pre-approval. Let the listing agent know, hey, I'm a good borrower, but it makes more sense for me to go FHA. So therefore, I'm going to give you an FHA and a conventional pre-approval. Ignore the conventional pre-approval. That's just FYI for you. We are submitting an FHA offer, but I want you to see this conventional pre-approvals to know that I'm a strong borrower. Okay, that's another thing that we can do. Okay, so lots of cool solutions for you there. I know a lot of my subscribers are not here in Kansas to where I can't help you, so I want you to know about those so you can bring those up to your loan officers. And I don't mind if you want to go with another lender. If you are in Kansas, I want you to have this information. I want to see you get into a home. Whether I'm your lender or not, I want to see you guys get into a home. I want to see people get out of the rental cycle, because there's no good things that come out of it. So new video, please check it out. It's about investing. I think you're really, really going to like it. If you have any questions, just reach out to me, because I know options can be a little bit confusing. I'm willing to help out whoever I can. So those are the rates. Hope you guys have a happy and safe weekend, and I will talk to you tomorrow. All right. Or not talk to you tomorrow. I'll talk to you next week. So I'm going to be doing some more stuff. I'm going to be doing some TikTok, some Twitter, some Facebook stuff. And so no drink review next week, but I am going to be on some other avenues. So keep a lookout for there. Add me on them. Planet Cheapskate. All right. Have a happy, safe weekend.